Hello friends, Happy New Year from El Paso, Texas, the Sun City. Not very warm today, about 38 degrees, and it was below freezing last night. But I am here ready to work out our core, and I'm all layered up. I have my big cup of coffee. I highly recommend that. And I'm ready to go. So I hope you are too. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing in this new year. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Legs crossed, hands on top of your knees, shoulders down and back, and crown of the head pointing up to the sky. Inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. One more time, inhale, rising up. Palms together, exhale, hands to heart center. Bow your head. Interlace your fingers, extend the palms one more time all the way up, moving your head side to side. Lift up your chest. Bring the chin up and down a couple of times. Bring the hands down to the ground and extend the legs in Dandasana, pointing the toes back to your nose. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Relax your shoulders. Relax your head. Without forcing your neck, bring the forehead closer to your knees. Round up your back, chin to chest. Crown of the head pointing up as you extend your arms forward. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, rise up and reach forward for your toes. Let's do that once again to start warming up the core. Chin to chest, round up the back, crown of the head pointing up as you extend your arms forward. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, rise up and reach forward for your toes or your ankles. Relax your head as you move it side to side. Chin to chest, round up the back. Bring the hands behind your back. Inhale, lift up the chest, chin up. Exhale, round up the back, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, lifting up your chest. As you maintain the chest open, move your head side to side, following the rainbow up in the sky. Keep your legs heavy on the ground. Extend your arms. Lean back as you inhale. Exhale, bring it back to center. Inhale, lean back, maintain your back flat. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, center. One more, inhale, lean back. Stay here. Maintain the chin away from your chest as you keep the shoulders down and back. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring your torso back to center. Remember to keep your legs heavy. Extend your arms forward, and this time we're going to take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, lean back as you open your arms out to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale, lean back, open your arms. Inhale, center. Exhale, take it back, open your arms. Inhale. Exhale, open, and stay here. Remember to keep the chin away from the chest. Lift up your chest, shoulders down and back. Inhale, exhale, back to center. Bring the hands down to the ground and begin to bend the knees, planting your feet on the mat. Holding on to both legs from behind the knees. Lift up your chest, lean back, bring the feet up. Seal the space between the inner thighs. Chin away from the chest. Let go of the knees, extending your arms forward. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, lean back, extend the legs. Exhale, center. Inhale, extend. exhale, center. Inhale, extend. Exhale, center. One more time, inhale, extend, and stay here. Hover the feet over the mat, chin away from the chest. Inhale, exhale, center, and bring the feet down to the ground. Give yourself a little break, moving your torso in one direction, and then circling around in the opposite direction. Let's do this once again, but this time we're gonna open up our arms. Lift up your legs, seal the space between your inner thighs, extend your arms forward. Inhale, extend your arms out to the side, exhale, back to center. Inhale, open your arms, exhale, back to center. Inhale, extend, exhale, center. Inhale, open. Exhale, bring it back to center. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, stay here. Continue breathing here, nice and easy. Inhale, exhale, back to center, and rest your feet on the mat. Holding onto your legs, begin to circle your torso around, and then in the opposite direction. Hug your legs. Inhale, chest up, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chest up, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, stay here and move your head side to side, stretching both sides of your neck. Bring your hands down to the ground and extend your legs in Dandasana. Extend your arms forward. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, lift up both legs, lift up your chest, and let's begin to scissor the legs. Inhale, exhale, begin to move. Remember to find your rhythm. Avoid rounding up your back. Shoulders relax. Chin away from the chest. Go for 18 more. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the legs together. Inhale, exhale, center, and bring the feet down to the ground. Great job. Give yourself a little break here as you flow your torso around in one direction and then in the opposite direction. Hope you're ready for our next sequence. Remember to listen to your body and make the proper adjustments. In this sequence, we will touch one foot at a time, 10 times. Extend your arms in front of you. Inhale. Exhale, lean back. Lift up both legs, right hand to the left foot. Inhale, touch, exhale, down 1. Inhale, touch, exhale, down 2. Inhale, exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, exhale, 7. Inhale, exhale, 8. Inhale, exhale, 9. Inhale, exhale, 10. And now the other hand. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, 9. Inhale, exhale, 8. Inhale, exhale, 7. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, 1. Stay here. Take a deep breath. Exhale, relax. Once again, give yourself a little break. Remember to drink water if you need to. When you're ready, bring your body back to center. Bring your chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, back to neutral. As you keep your feet planted on the ground and with your knees bent, extend your arms forward. Feel the space between the inner thighs and lean back. Inhale, open up your arms. Exhale, knees to chest. Inhale, open up your arms. Exhale, knees to chest. Inhale, extend. Exhale, center. Inhale, extend. Exhale, center. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale, center. Inhale, open. Stay here. Exhale, come down and relax. Great job. Draw the knees onto your chest. Sway side to side to massage your back, the lower back. Moving the knees side to side, around in circles. Do what feels good. Come into a supine twist to your right as you gaze over the left shoulder. Switch sides as you rest the knees on the left side and gaze over the right shoulder. Bring it back to center. Give yourself a long, tall stretch. And when you're ready, get comfortable to enter our sacred practice of Shavasana. In this moment of stillness, we feel the joy for the opportunity to imagine, create, and design new, bigger, and bolder dreams for 2022. We release the past, and we move forward with an open heart and open arms. Begin to bring your awareness back into your body as you bring your arms over your head, giving yourself another tall, long stretch. Draw the knees onto your chest, give them a hug. Cross your legs, reaching for opposite foot with opposite hand. Begin to rock back and forth a couple of times before you sit all the way up. Meet me in Sukhasana, easy pose. Cross your legs, hands on top of your knees, shoulders down and back, and the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We seal our practice with 3 breaths. As we inhale, we rise up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bring the hands down. One more time. Inhale, rising up, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center, and bow your head. May this new year bring joy, abundance, and health into your life. And above all, bring you love. From our heart to yours. Namaste.